Ethereum, for the most part, is a highest-level minimal coin with the ticker ETH that especially has an in every practical sense present worth of $299,906 and a market capitalization of $349,568,962,191. Digital currencies have in every way that really matters, long past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers in a genuinely enormous way. These days, it's a resource class that generally is significantly controlled and surprisingly took on as lawful delegate, some kind of huge venture banks even sort of get Ethereum and kind of other digital currencies as a group to generally safeguard their resources under administration arm against the jogging expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors, which is genuinely critical. Presently, now is the ideal time to sort of uncover our short, mid, and sort of long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ETH market that really depend on the readings of our by and large novel crypto unpredictability file that by and large assists us with measuring the market feeling and generally expect where in which the market plans to go in an unpretentious manner especially. At this point, the cost of Ethereum generally is $299,906, while the coin presently sort of ends up at second spot in the general positioning, or so they explicitly thought. The said in every practical sense, positioning especially is assessed based on the resource's genuinely present value that really is duplicated by its certainly current market capitalization, an equation that truly is applied all through every monetary market, which generally is genuinely huge. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients certainly get the most pertinent information in regards to the exhibition of advanced assets in their portfolios, or so they especially thought. It's likewise vital to sort of consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in a sort of large manner. On February 18, the cost of Ethereum especially was at $2,786.67 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 321%, exhibiting how the said especially positioning is assessed based on the resource's really present value that truly is duplicated by its in every practical sense current market capitalization, a recipe that is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an extremely huge manner. 7 days prior, on February 12, ETH truly was esteemed at $2,507.28, which in every practical sense actually intends that from that point forward, the cost has most certainly varied by 0%, which truly is very critical. A month prior, on January 19, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $2,489.25. In this manner, the coin has taken a 1687% action to arrive at its essentially present standings in a really significant manner. The examination of market capitalization basically conveys essentially equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology especially is utilized to, for the most part, decide the truly, generally speaking, position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which sort of is very huge. Changes in market capitalization kind of sure or exceptionally negative by and large are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could, for the most part, be going, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and truly long-haul viewpoints in an unobtrusive manner. This specific most certainly metric explicitly is additionally used to measure the strength of Ethereum comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. To generally decide the in every practical sense current market capitalization of ETH, we actually duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will generally be basically made sense of later by the extremely present worth of the cryptographic money under survey, which basically is very huge. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum in every practical sense remains at $349,568,962,191, which frames the reason for commonly present kind of positioning fundamentally was referenced before in an all things considered huge way. Yesterday, on February 18, ETH especially had a market capitalization of $334,860,860,582, which sort of is genuinely critical. Keep going week, on February 12, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to explicitly was recorded at $301,301,849,673 in a truly significant manner. A month prior, on January 19, the market worth of Ethereum fundamentally was evaluated to basically be $299,150,242,177 in a for the most part significant manner. Absolute stock considers the quantity of coins that have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, which sort of is genuinely huge. These digital currencies can be utilized either for kind of dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers or so they explicitly thought. This sort of measurement likewise calculates the coins that in every practical sense have been gradually eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which sort of is applied to control the expansion rate in a genuinely large manner. At this point, the really all-out supply of Ethereum is laid out at 120, 165, 512 ETH in an unobtrusive manner. Ultimately, the circling supply especially is utilized to generally work out the market capitalization and basically evaluate the coins in every practical sense current. Remaining in the positions most certainly further appearance how this really metric likewise calculates the coins that fundamentally have been deliberately gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which explicitly is applied to control the expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. It signifies the truly by and large measure of ETH that for the most part is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that fundamentally are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly basically put unavailable for general use out of the blue in a sort of significant manner. It's by and large basically accepted that digital currencies that in every practical sense have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million basically are the most reasonable for essentially long-haul ventures, since they really are generally really liable to see the value in esteem over a lengthy time frame, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in a sort of significant manner. At this crossroads, Ethereum in every practical sense has a circling supply of 120, 165, 512 coins, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Over the especially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the place of $24,584, 344, 494, showing how yesterday on February 18, ETH generally had a market capitalization of $334, 860, 860, 582 in a significant manner. Yesterday, on February 18, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame truly remained at $17,932, 379, 943 in a huge manner. 7 days prior, on February 12, how much ETH that explicitly was traded between market members explicitly was assessed at $7, 346, 434, 705 in an exceptionally huge manner. Presently, certainly comes an opportunity to make sense of exhaustively the substance of the crypto unpredictability file CVIX, since it's a highlight of our cost forecast model that permits us to predict the way that Ethereum will sort of follow over the kind of next 1 to 5 years in a significant manner. CVIX is the consequence of the careful work of our group of market specialists and programming designers that surfaced with a novel recipe for measuring and envisioning the normal market unpredictability and enhanced it with the creative sort of profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market information to generally convey